The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers. Title of the video, GCD, that is Greatest Common Divisor. So how to find out the greatest common divisor of two numbers? So there are again 4 steps. First, we have to find out the divisors of first number. Secondly, we have to find out the divisors of second number. And third, we have to list all the common divisors of the two numbers. And the fourth step is to select the greatest common divisor. So that is how we find out the GCD. Now let us take number 12, right? Now what are the divisors of number 12? So what numbers can be used as divisors? So 1 is a divisor because 12 by 1 is 12. Can 2 be a divisor? So let us take 12 magnets. Now ask the child to take 2 at a time. If we get no remainder, then that particular number can be called as a divisor. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so now 2 is a divisor of number 12 because by grouping them in terms of 2, you don't get a remainder. So what about 3? So take 12 and then you try to group them in terms of 3. Yes, you can group them in terms of 3 without getting a remainder. So 3 is a divisor. Now what about 4? You can group the number in terms of 4, 4, 4, 4. Yes, so 4 is also a divisor, right? Now what about 5? 5 cannot be a divisor because you have remainder 2. What about 6? 6 is a divisor because you get 6 times 2 without a remainder. 7, not a divisor. 8, 9, 10, 11, yes, of course, 12 is a divisor. Now here 1 is also a divisor. So now for this number you have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are divisors. It cannot go beyond 12 because it is the maximum number. Now let us take 16, right? And 16 and find out the divisors. 2, yes, you can group them in terms of 2, no remainder. So 2 is a divisor. Of course 1 is also a divisor. So 2 is a divisor. So what about 3? 3, when you just group them, let the child get this practical experience. Yes, group them. Yeah, there is 1 remaining. So 3 cannot be a divisor. So what about 4? Now you group the 16 in terms of 4. 4, 4, 4. Yes, it can be grouped without getting a remainder. So 4 is a divisor for 16. What about 5? No. 6? No. 7? No. 8. 8 is a divisor because when you group 16 in terms of 8, you don't get remainder. So what about 9? Can't be. 10? No. 11? No. 12? No. 13, 14, 15, 16. So the next one is the 16, the number itself. So you cannot go beyond 16. Now the common divisors of number 12 and 16 are 1, 2, and then 3 you have to exclude because 3 is not common, 4. 6 is not common, 8 is not common, 12 is not common, and 16 is not common. So there are 3 divisors for the numbers 12 and 16. The common divisors are 1, 2, and 4, and therefore the greatest common divisor is 4, which is the largest among the common divisors. In some books, the GCD is also called as the highest common factor, HCF. Hope this method will help the child to understand the concept of GCD. LCM and GCD are very important concepts in mathematics, and I am sure the child will get more experience by doing the exercise like this.